Back at HomeGoods to see what they have in right now. They still have some great outdoor sets and patio furniture in. They have this one right here. This one could fit about two, three people maybe, and it is $600. It's like an ottoman and then a little sofa. This painting I thought was cute. I don't think it's for outdoors though, but I thought it was just pretty. 130 because that's the curved arch in it. They have these rocking sets. Did we see these? I'm not sure if we saw these before, but they have these rocking sets. They had it a few different ways. So they have this one right here, and it comes with the two chairs, and then it comes with that wood table. The stain on that is nice. $600 for those. It is Nordica. This set really pretty. The table kind of gives like a concrete look, but it's not a concrete. They had these little trays out, and I thought those were cute. $15, and this would go nice just on the table there. That set though was 1,000. You get the sofa, the two chairs, and that table. There's the rocking set again, and then this is a different type one. So they have the other one like that, and then this one right here where it comes with a different table. So this kind of has like that in and out kind of shaped table, which I just thought was cute. So they have a few different options for those, and these are great for small spaces. And this one is $600 too. They have these pieces still. I think we saw a lot of these pieces, but some of these things we didn't see. They keep coming out with new of the drink set. So they have this one right here. So you get three different ones, like a mojito, a strawberry daiquiri. It has the little filter thing there. $15 for those, but you have to add the alcohol to it. It doesn't come with that, but it has pina colada, original mojito, and strawberry daiquiri for those right there. These plates, I think we saw these serving plates before, but they're just so pretty. And those are $13 for those right there. And then the other set of plates and the cups and the stuff and all that. They have the pictures. This bowl right here is super pretty. This is big, so it's like a serving bowl. $10 for that, and it has the raised detail too in there. This planter, I don't think it goes with the set, but it's just something nice and simple that'll go with a lot of stuff. $25 for that. This little gnome, another just a cute piece. It's like holding a little bird and stuff. I thought that one was cute. $30 for that one right there. And then he has a little sign that says welcome. More of like the outdoor dining drink sets. This little flamingo right here, $5. I think we might have saw that one before. But they just have a ton of different options at HomeGoods. And these are like a plastic kind of, so they're good for outside. This one just like pretty details and only $4 for those. Sometimes you can find them too in sets, so you don't have to get it individually. This I thought was so cute. So it's like the little lady. I don't know how much it is though, but she was really cute. So she can just put her like on a shelf or something, and she has like the little elf shoes on and stuff. And then this little crab basket right here, $30. Thought that was nice. It goes with the tray. This is all Nautica. $20 for the little tiered tray there. We just put like a whole little set together. They had a few of the trays at my HomeGoods. This little basket right here, another one that is cute. And if you could find star napkins, you could put those star napkins in there. $13 for that. This I thought was cute. I think it's a cookie jar. But don't quote me on that. But it was $25. Like I'm assuming the top comes off. They just had it on there good. And it's like a cookie jar maybe. These pieces, the ornaments, I think you can use those too for Christmas. I like things that you can use multiple ways. So it's like kind of like that nautical theme, but these would be real pretty at Christmas time too. But it's like a set of those, and that is $15. Just a lot of pretty decor for like patriotic decor and stuff. They still have this. I thought was so nice. Can you see like the raised detail in it? It didn't have a price on it, but it was just a really pretty tray. This one, I love wood pieces, but this one right here I thought was pretty. So it's a patriotic decor piece, but you could interchange those pieces because it's just on a chain, and then really leave it out all year. And that was $20 for that. It wouldn't be hard to do that little DIY so that you can use it all year. But I thought that was nice. This pillow, so nice. If you feel it, it just would be so pretty. Just out. And that one, it was marked at like 68, and then of course the HomeGoods price was $25 for that one right there. These more little cute flamingo things. So that little tier tray there with the little flamingo head up top, $25. This little like cooler basket, really pretty. And then it has like a little handle on top. I thought that was nice. Just like some really cute grabs right now. And that one was $25 for that one right there. This tray, I'm loving trays right now. So this tray right here, it has the distress look to it, like that. $15 for that. This another cute set. So it has like the way the dark contrast is off of the lighter stained wood. I just thought that was real pretty. And the setup that they have, so you can put a nice little planter there on the side, or you could put like a side table. I just thought that was nice. So we're gonna see the front in a second, but I was trying to get around the people. But I like the gray of the cushions and all that. Just the whole little setup was really cute. And then it has like that netting mesh on the bottom there of the table too. And that one was $14.40 for that right there, because it was marked on clearance. So it's like weird. HomeGoods has some furniture on clearance right now, like outdoor furniture, but some is still full price. This little set for like the bathroom or something, you'll be able to see the handles better, but it has little rose handles, which I thought were cute, and they look like they're just like attached, you know, the way that they look from the outside. So it doesn't look like it's screwed in like a knob. It looks like it's part of it. So you have the drawer there, you have the storage on the bottom. I couldn't see a price on those right there, but I'm assuming they're going to be around the same price as the other ones. So this one is $149, and again, it has kind of like a distressed look. It has the two shelves on the bottom and the drawer. This one has the shelf on the side, like with the drawer, and then the other shelves on the side. And this one is $152. That shelf, like it fell, but I think it goes, you know, just straight in there. It needs to be great if you don't want to keep it open, to put like, you know, some cute pbaskets in there. You can put a bigger basket, but they were like together, so I didn't do that. These towels, so nice feeling. Like I love a big, nice feeling, like, you know, bath towel. So they had those in a bunch of colors. They had them in the pink, the white, they had them in blues. So, and they like quick dry. So you might want to grab some new towels for the season. $8 for those. Not bad at all. So yeah, HomeGoods always has like, you know, different bath stuff that they change in and out of. This right here, but it was just interesting because it kind of has like that glitter look to it, and they had all the pieces to it. So they had a little toothbrush holder, they had the soap pumps, they had all of that. And of course they had other ones too, but I just thought like the little glitter in that looked kind of cute. This one right here, a nice neutral one right here with the wood, and then $13 for the soap pump. And then this is a done like the tissue cover. So the tissue cover was $17, and then they have the little soap holder right here for like the bar soap and stuff like that, that you can grab, and that one was $7. And like I said, they have a ton of other bath stuff. These clear pieces I thought were nice. I don't know, it's like hard to pick up because it's clear, but they had a few ones. They had like corner shells, $130 for those. They had, the other one is like baskets. So it's like deep, so your stuff won't fall over on those right there. So it's like a movable cart too, because it has wheels. $130 for that. They have ones that, you know, go bigger from the bottom and then get smaller at the top. Just a few different options in the clear shells. These pink pieces I thought were nice. So they had a few different things. They had towels. They had the trash can. They had the little mini fridge. This little stool though I thought was cute, but it didn't have a price on it, but it had a little tufting on it, and then the gold contrast. They have a few different office chairs and stuff like that you can grab right now. You can see like a few different choices. So if you're looking to change up your office space or your vanity space, you might want to grab one of these chairs. This one $100. This one with like the Sherpa boucle kind of look right here. This pretty pink one right here, and you can see the prices are kind of the same. So about 100, 130, maybe a little more, sometimes a little less based on the chair, but just around that range. This one, another good piece for the bathroom here. So they both have like that marble top and then the little gold hardware and stuff. Didn't see prices on those either, but I'm imagining it's around the same price as the other. This one has like little faux drawers. So it's a cabinet at the bottom, but it looks like, you know, it's 4 drawers, but it's 1 drawer and then the cabinet at the bottom. And then the other one is clear that it's a cabinet at the bottom and the 1 drawer. So they had the two different styles there at my HomeGoods for that one, which I thought was cute because just a nice white piece with the gold is just nice and simple. And like I said, a few different office chair options. So you might want to head over your HomeGoods, especially if you're looking to change up your office or your vanity, and grab one of those cute little chairs. This, another little office setup. This little ottoman piece, it reminds me of something. I can't think if it was Anthropology or Urban Outfitters, but they used to have a piece like that. This chair, really pretty, and that one is 150, and it has the nail head details on it, and then like the classic, office chair shape. This, just a simple little desk. It has two little drawers on it, and it's narrow, so it'll fit into a small space. And that one was 180. Then they just showing you different chair options for this right here. So this one is only $80. This little cactus, I thought it was cute, just a cute piece of decor. And it was like a decent size too, so you can grab that one right there if you're looking for something like that. 130 for that right there. This little shelf right here, so it has the storage at the bottom and then all the shelves at the top, and it was $300. It has a little curved look to it, real nice. They had a few different little pet strollers, $100. Somebody did grab one out after I looked at it. They did grab one because it is the season that your pet, wants to be outside. And if your dog is small like mine, it likes to walk but doesn't want to walk forever. This chair, just a nice big chair. It was like, it has a nice big back on it and stuff. It has the nail head details, nice light color. $400 for that one right there. And then it has like a little bit of tufting to this piece right here, another nice neutral piece, and this one was on clearance for $200. And then it has like the little leather handles. It has the shelf inside, and you can use that for like an entertainment center because it has a little hole in the back for you to put your cords and stuff through for that one. This lamp, nice and simple, but there's like a detail in the thing there, so it arches out and then back in. $300 for that one right there. The faux plants, a ton of art options, but HomeGoods is good for art options. But I like that they carry different styles to fit in with different places. I'm really liking these type pieces right now. These pieces, floral like pieces, like green florals, just a lot of different things. But these give you that high-end look with the glass. Some of these give a Z Gallery look, some of these give a Restoration Hardware look. But yeah, they have a few different choices to pick from. And artwork, they even have these like pet pieces or like animal pieces, and these again remind me of, I can't remember if it's Urban Outfitters or Anthropology, but someplace had a few different pieces like these. So those are cute. They have a lot of nautical beach pieces that you can pick from right now. So they have like them in sets. These I love because it's like that raised look and then the canvas look. And these are just nice, neutral, and clean. $50 for the set right there. And then if you don't like that color, they have it like in that blue. And then it's like a different pieces, but the same kind of look, They have the little tortoise and little seahorse ones you can pick from. $30 for those. And just the colors are just nice and simple and give that nautical look. Like I said, they have lighter blues, but just real pretty. So if you're looking to change up for like beach nautical decor, you might want to check out your HomeGoods and see what kind of pieces of art they have. They have the modern simple looks right now, a lot of the blacks, the whites, the golds that you can pick from, and these generally go with a lot of different spaces. And these are like larger pieces, so they'll like accent the wall real nice. Some of these are on clearance, some of these are not. This one, I like just the lines and stuff in it, $40. And then I like when they do like the floating frame. I like those right now too. I like a lot of different pieces of art. This was real pretty. You gotta like see it though. It's like kind of gives a little glitter to it. $40, and that's a set of two. You get two of those. This is another set of two, and it's like that photograph look. $50 for those. This piece right here is just a nice big like console table or entertainment center table that you might want to grab. $700 for that right there. And then I'm assuming there's a shelf that goes in the bottom there, but it does have a drawer in it too, so you can store things like smaller things in the drawer. And then I'm assuming you'll get shelves. I couldn't see on the other side because they had tied it closed there, but it's just like a nice neutral wood for there. And then this piece right here, really bright, really floral, it's just a different look. It kind of gives a retro with the print too at the same time, but $700 for that. And it's a decent sized sofa, and accent pillows and stuff from HomeGoods too. But this was just a really interesting piece, and you wouldn't have to do much around this piece because the print is so bold, but the lines are real clean and simple, like a modern piece at the same time, but still giving a retro vibe. So yeah, you might want to check out your HomeGoods and see what they have in right now.